Day one, and the key element here was the idea of focusing, about not focusing. And that, of course, is always a bit of a challenge. But the idea is just to feel the moment and to sit there and to find this kind of inner peace. Especially in today's world, we're not used to sitting by ourselves and not moving and being alone, and a whole host of overstimulated elements coming at us. So the idea is to be able to sit and actually just feel who you are and to be able to let thoughts go where they may. This is not an easy task to do. Just try sitting there for 10, 15 minutes, and I'm just doing 10 minutes right now. But the nice thing is you could feel a certain calmness, and if you actually sit and feel what your body is telling you, your physicality, you could detect energy and movement, and I think that's an important part of the meditation process for me. We'll see what more happens on day 2.